Okay, hello dear friends, good evening, such a beautiful evening. So we finished the whole day of hiking in Mount Vesuvio and Pompeii, and evening, oh, it was so hot and so hot, and I was sticky, so I came back to the apartment, took a shower, and walked in near our Airbnb apartment and going for a dinner. So this is a restaurant that is in the neighborhood. 5 minutes walk something. It's called Ristorante da Antonio. And we saw on Google review or on the Google map, you can see pictures, and the food looks quite good, and we decided to come here. I cleaned up myself and I feel good. So we had some quite simple food, and this is a kind of a family food, and the bread is in a bag. It's very much in the boat, in the ocean, and my dish is a seafood grill, mixed seafood grill, and this one is I will tell you each one slowly, so you can see the whole picture of it. Okay, let me go over each dish one by one. So this one is grilled squid, and the squid is very fresh, and it's just out of the sea, and we are in Napoli. It's and this is Mediterranean and close to the sea, to the port. So everything is fresh, just out of the ocean, and it's tender and juicy and not rubbery, and and it does not have any bad smell, and nothing that is unpleasant, with some lemon juice on top of it. It's just perfect. Salt, pepper, a little bit lemon juice, and I think it's grilled in olive oil, nothing else, and it's so fresh and delicious. We enjoyed it very much. Okay, so the next one is called loup de mer in French, and in English is Mediterranean sea bass, and it's very fresh, very tender, and it's a quite a popular Mediterranean dish, and not many bones, and the flesh is tender, and not much flavor, not like swordfish, not like salmon fish, and it's very tender. It's kind of a very refined and delicious meat, and grilled, very simple and very easy. Salt and pepper, and the finishing touch is lemon juice, and a little bit crispy on the outside. Inside is completely soft and tender and cooked through. It's a wonderful dish, loup de mer, Mediterranean sea bass. Okay, so here comes the seafood grill, and it's a seafood grill mixture. There is, I think there is loup de mer, maybe a little bit, a kind of very tender fish. There is a salmon fish. There is a swordfish, and in the middle that is squid. And there is also a big prawn gambas, and there is a long shell. I think there is another kind of fish. Altogether, it's grilled to the perfection. There is a little bit of herbs, and on top of a bed of lettuce salad, iceberg salad, and salt and pepper, nothing else, not much other things like usual. And when you serve it on the you drip a little bit this lemon juice, and something so unique, so special about the lemon here is that it's sour and a little bit sweet, and much more douce, much more soft, much more tender, and much less sharp. That is what I feel. And among them, the best is, I think the best is the squid, and is that tender fish. And the swordfish, I always feel swordfish is a little bit, it's a little bit, it's like the red meat. It's more textured, and the rest, and salmon is a little bit textured also. That white fish is just perfect. Anyway, all are so good. And this one is pasta carbonara. And it seems so easy, everyone can make it. And the pasta is al dente. And it looks a little bit mushy because a little bit mushy, a little bit out of that al dente is because of the cream. And a couple pieces of lardon or bacon on the side, and very creamy. The pasta is al dente, and then wrapped in cream, and some parmigiano, and some pepper, salt and pepper, not much other things, and cream. And it's so rich, so smooth, so creamy, and so satisfying. And we shared among our family. Each one have a little bit of this, a little bit of that, which is just perfect. We enjoyed it, absolutely, totally. Everyone enjoy a little bit. Everyone share a little bit, and we discuss. Each one has their own favorite, and I definitely have my favorite, and altogether it's very, very enjoyable. And we also ordered a side dish, and the side dish is grilled vegetable mixture, and it's usually everything is put, the things that can be even quickly served is put into a big refrigerator with transparent glass. So there is spinach, There is, I think that that large, a little bit out of color is the spinach, French spinach or English spinach, the large leaf spinach. And anyway, it's a fresh vegetable, and a little bit grilled zucchini. Zucchini, yes, grilled zucchini, and the potato is deep fried and grilled, and it has such a unique flavor. And how do I say it? I cannot even describe it. It's like the meat of the vegetable. It has so much flavor. Maybe because of the oil they put, or maybe because it's totally deep fried and with the right amount of salt and pepper. It's just so delicious. Altogether, it's wonderful, these dishes. And this dish of vegetable is €10, let's say $10. And altogether, everything else is quite reasonably priced, not too expensive, especially when you come from the Bay Area. The food here, you do not feel like traveling. Usually when you go travel, the food, you always feel so expensive. And this place, you feel like going back home, eat in a restaurant, and eat in a good restaurant with relatively less expense. And altogether, it's smooth, it's oily, but not greasy. They did put a lot of oil, but mostly is olive oil, vegetable oil. So the grill is just right to the point. A little bit grilled, a little bit golden, a little bit browned, and to the point. And you can see that a big glass, big open glass refrigerator. They put cold appetizer there in a level, some seafood salad, which is a seafood mixture in an olive oil sauce, and some grilled vegetable which can be served cold in it, and in the bottom layer and in the middle layer is vegetables, which you have seen the cold vegetables, and on top are the sweets. And we asked for dessert menu, and that gentleman who served us said, he tapped his stomach and said, everything is here, my stomach is the menu he introduced. So there is tiramisu, there is tarte, framboise, tarte, this one is tarte, how do I call fraise, tarte fraise, and this is a fraise du bois. It's a forest strawberry in French, bat sablé. So it's in a salty crust with cream filling, English cream filling, patisserie. And then on top of it is the forest strawberry, the very small, very sweet strawberry. And the tiramisu is very unique. It's not the tiramisu with the lady finger kind of biscuit. It's actually a profiterole. And it's a pastry puff insert with cream. And then outside is mascarpone and cream wrapping into a bowl, and then they put a chocolate powder on top of it. All in all, it's beautiful and delicious. On our way back home, we walk in the illuminated night, and this is a neighborhood streets, a lot of restaurants, a lot of people, and this is a Sunday night, still so many people, and it's such a lovely and interesting place. We enjoyed very, very much. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Cuckoo, bye bye.